Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the phone model, IMEI, and the carrier account tied to it so you know what restrictions apply. Once done, back up your data to avoid losses and note carrier-specific apps or profiles that may reinstall. Make sure the device meets eligibility, no unpaid balance, active contract obligations, or reported theft flags, because carriers refuse unlocks for those reasons. Now contact the carrier or prepare to use official unlock procedures so you can request or initiate the unlock. You request the unlock through the carrier portal or by phone, following their specific process. This ensures authorization and an official unlock record. Once requested, verify your identity as the account holder and provide IMEI or proof of purchase when asked, because carriers need that to clear flags. After approval, follow the carrier's instructions, either entering an unlock code, performing an over-the-air activation, or installing an update, so the network lock is removed and the phone can accept other SIMs. You finish by inserting the new SIM, restarting the phone, and completing any activation prompts so the device registers on the new network. If the SIM is not recognized, reset network settings and retry, because cached carrier profiles can block detection. If problems persist, contact carrier support with your IMEI and the unlock approval reference. They can push an activation update or reissue the unlock. Keep warranty and account records handy, and test calls and data to verify the carrier removal succeeded.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.